Have you ever thought how underwater repairs and maintenance is done? Well, it's almost the same as on ground. Except that everything down here is cooler and more dangerous. Welcome to the world of underwater welding, also known as hyperbaric welding. This is one of the most well-paid occupations for commercial divers. Underwater welding was invented by a Soviet engineer, Konstantin Krenov, in 1932. It made its way to the US in the 1940s through an underwater welding program in the US Navy. Underwater welding work can go down up to 1,300 feet of saline water. The applications of